All right, let's check in with Joseph and talk about our weather. Boy, it is cold today.
Yeah, we start off very frosty. Temperatures in the 30s and 20s, some locations mid-20s to begin the day. So cold air has been hanging around, and that means plenty of cold air for the mountains up there to see some fresh snowfall. We had a good amount over the weekend. Notice that the trees are kind of swaying too, so the wind has been a bit breezy. You can see most of the grass is white there, and we had a few inches up on the mountain there at the base, and we're going to have more as we go through the course of the week because we have multiple systems. It's going to bring in a bucket of water here, bucket of water there, and it's going to be enough to really bring in some snowfall. Temperatures right now at Mount Hood at 27 degrees. I want to show you this winter weather advisory that goes into place tonight at 10 p.m. Notice here until 10 a.m. For the Cascades through parts of Washington all the way down. Expecting that snowfall anywhere from about 6 to 12 inches above about 3,000 feet or so. I think government camp could pick up somewhere around 8 inches, somewhere around that number in that range. We also have this winter weather advisory that's going to be in place off towards the east as well. So if you're doing some traveling through I-84 there, where there was multiple issues this weekend because of the snowfall, well, another round is likely on the way, and that is until Wednesday at 4 a.m. First system that's going to help bring in the snowfall, and that will mean some rainfall for us here in the valley, is going to arrive tonight, and it's going to continue as we go through the overnight hours. You can see it right here on the satellite. Area of low pressure here to the northwest, and the front is going to be moving on in. Now, there's a lot of support aloft. What I mean by that, there's a fairly strong wind, which is going to continue to help generate some shower activity and some support to allow for this moisture to continue on as we go through the overnight hours. So yeah, there it is. It's on the way. We were looking at that on the radar earlier. You can see the heavier showers here along the Oregon coast, some moisture trying to push into areas of southwest Washington. Most of that not reaching the surface, but you'll probably start seeing some rain as we head into about dinner time and beyond for tonight. Pretty cloudy though. Temperatures only at 43 degrees. We were expecting a high of maybe about 45 today, so it is just going to be cool. And notice that we'll start to push in some rain as we go through the rest of today. That rain sticks around on the Futurecast. Notice that we have plenty of mountain snow there as well. Here's early tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We're still dealing with some on and off rain showers. By Wednesday, we should have a brief moment where it kind of stalls out, slows down a little bit, and we see some dry time. Maybe some sun breaks on Wednesday too for Veterans Day. But then another round falls shortly behind that on Thursday, and that's going to spell even some more snowfall and some gusty conditions possible heading into Friday and Saturday. So it does look like we have a lot going on here this week. Snow levels should be kind of bobbing around 3,000 feet, but notice that government camp's right there, so the passes will be dealing with that snowfall as we go through the next few days. And as I mentioned, somewhere around 4, 6, maybe even upwards to about 8 inches for areas like government camp. All right, 51 degrees on Wednesday. There's that sun break. It'll be feeling pretty nice if we do see that. 48 degrees on Thursday, 50 on Friday. Guess what? We keep rain in the forecast all 7 days, so no matter which day you slice, Dan, Liz, it looks like we'll probably be seeing some rain. Temperatures only topping off about 50 degrees too. Pretty cool.
All right. Okay. Joseph, thank you.